Hello, how are you doing? Welcome to Huixin Aluminum Factory. This is our virtual tour. My name is Leon, and I'm joined by my colleague behind the camera. And we are going to take you on a tour around the Huixin Aluminum Factory here, so that you could learn more about us and how we deliver with stable quality to our clients. Hope you will find it enjoyable and useful. Let's go on a tour around the Huixin Aluminum Factory. Okay, let's move on the first section. This is the place where we stock raw material, aluminum rod. Raw material determine 18% of the quality. So in Huixin, only high quality aluminum rods are used, so as to avoid the flow caused by impurity. Test report is listed for every batch of aluminum rod. All of them are purchased from well-known state-owned factories with stable quality and both cost advantages. Come on over here, we will walk you through the area. Here's the place where we stock the extrusion molds. To meet different market lists, we have more than 10,000 providers since 2010. Huixin Aluminum team can design and produce a wide range of custom and standard extrusion to the tightest tolerance. Various extruded shapes and fillets are available according to customer requirements. The second part is to visit our production lines. My colleague Leslie will take you there. Hi, Leslie.
Hi, Leon. I'm here. Thank you, Leon, for the wonderful explanation. Let me show you around our production workshop. Our factory is equipped with 6 extrusion lines, powder coating line, anodizing line, and wooden grain line. And our monthly output is over 1,500 tons. Come on, let's move on to the extrusion part. The whole extrusion process kind of like a tube of toothpaste. When we squeeze a tube of toothpaste, the foam will come out. And when we make aluminum extrusion, this machine heats up aluminum, presses it, and squeezes it through a dial. Then the aluminum profiles come out. When the aluminum profiles come out, we will do the online timing to cool it down. Not every factory will do this, but we carry out this process to make the aluminum profiles stronger. After all of this process, we will inspect the surface quality to see if it meets with the national standard and check the critical specification to ensure the products will fit perfectly with the accessories. When we finish one batch of profiles and check the critical specification, we will continue the timing process. Look at this machine. It's the timing machine. Each profile is soft after extrusion, so this process is critical to guarantee the standard hardness of the aluminum profiles. Our production supervisor will check 3 times one day to ensure our workers carry out this process according to the standard. The whole timing process is around 4 hours. When the timing process is finished, the profiles will be put in this warehouse. It's for mill finished products. You can see different kinds of aluminum profiles here. Look at these. These are curtain track profiles. And these are window and door profiles. Moreover, Huixin Aluminum team has shipped aluminum profiles to over 60 countries worldwide. Any aluminum extrusion profiles could be customized if providing us samples or drawings. Some aluminum profiles require surface treatment. Let's move on to visit the powder coating and anodizing facility. Hi, Vince.
Thanks, Leslie. Hello, everyone. Let me continue to explain for you. Firstly, let us start from the coating work area behind us. Every profile is treated in the chrome-free treatment center to make sure the surface quality. After that, profiles are transferred to the next place. This is where a million profile up to 7.25 meters long are painted in a range of RAL colors. All the incoming raw materials quality are checked regularly by a highly skilled team according to strict quality control measures. Alright, let us head this way into the anodizing facility. Aluminum profiles are anodized in a wide range of color, from natural silver, bronze, and a different shape of brown to black colors in a range of glass, semi-matte, and matte finish. How to control the color difference is very important. The production supervisor will check every 3 hours to make sure workers to carry out the process at the right time and the right step. Besides this, our professional QC team will carry out critical inspection after the products are finished. My colleague Henry will tell you more details about this. Hey Henry, how are you?
I'm great, Vince. Now let's go to the third part to see how we do QC and packing. To make sure our customers receive good quality products, a series of rigorous QC procedures are applied before packing. Besides basic surface inspection, we also check color, film thickness, adhesive force, and other specifications according to the standard. 师傅你好，请问你是如何检验的呢？
我们严格按照国标的标准来检验的，每10到15次检验一次，如果有不及格的，我们会从头开始全检。
好的，谢谢。After strict QC process, quality profiles will be packed here. Look at this packing. Usually, each single profile has protective film on the surface, and then we put several pieces together and wrap the whole bundle with shrink film. With over 11 years experience, the packing we provide is tested to be reliable and to make sure our customers receive the goods in perfect condition. Finally, let's come to our warehouse. Here's where we load the aluminum profiles that will travel across the sea to Africa, Middle East, South America, and other Asian countries. I hope this tour could impress you and let you know more about us. Huixin has business connections in more than 60 countries around the world. Through all these years, we dedicate ourselves to improving equipment and efficiency, providing first-class service, short production time, and stable quality. We hope you could partner with us very soon.